Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to convert image to text in iPhone or Android. Basically I'm using here Android, and if you have iPhone, don't worry. The process is same as well as Android and iPhone. So let's begin our video. So first, if you want to make your image to text, what should you do? You just need to go on your Play Store, and after go on your Play Store, and you just need to go on search bar and type for Google Translate. You just need to type for Google Translate, and you need to download this application for your Android or iPhone. So here you can see this is Google Translate, and you just need to install this. I installed it before, so I don't need to install it now. Now you should need to let's back. And how should you do? If you have a paper, you just need to take a picture, or if you have a screenshot, it's don't worry. Just you need a picture or image. Now what should you do? You just need to open on your translator. Here you can see I open my Google Translate. Then what should you do? You just need to go on this camera option at the bottom right corner. Now click on import. So here you can see I already take a photo or image for make text. I just select this picture image, and then what should you do? You just need to, if you need any option, or if you want to all text, if you want all text, just select all, and then you need to click at the arrow icon at the top. Now here you can see this is your image to text already done. Now if you want to copy, you just need to click on the top option. There have a copy icon. Click on copy. The text already copied. Now you can paste anywhere and you can use this text. So in this way you can convert your image to text in your Android and iPhone very easily. So I hope you can understand, and hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.